sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
Hello my wonderful viewer, thank you for viewing this particular video. And with today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account and earn a lot of money at the end of the month. So without wasting your time, I will show you a lot of things, how you can create your account, set your payment method, and do a lot of your task as well. So don't forget to
Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
So this is my account and I'm going to show you how as you can see, this is the work I have done so far. You can see my balance there, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own account and earn money at the end of the month. So I will show you how you can do your task as well. With this platform, you earn a daily bonus. As you can see, you earn a daily bonus. That's $1. As you can see, every day that you log into your account, you receive $1, and that you can accept it and add to your account. So with here I'm going to show you how you can create your account and earn at the end of the month. So please don't skip any part of the video, because I will show you how you create your own account. So let's start. Please follow the video. So with here we have first name, last name, email, password, and repeat password or retry password. So you fill all your information. So I'm going to do it for you and you see. So I'm going to type, you see I'm typing my name, Joseph, as you see there, and my last name is Akon. As you can see, I have just paste it. My email is also there, and I'm going to provide my password as well. So this is how you set your account and you start earning at the end of the day. So you can see the total users on the top button. As you can see, 142,216. Okay, so these are the users now that are using this particular website to earn at the end of their month. So after providing a password, then you click on sign up. Then you set your account. So I have already created an account on this particular channel or website, so I don't need to sign up now. So I'll log into my account and show you how you can do your daily task as well. And you can see the partners, Linkbay, OKPay, Alibaba, Visa, PayPal, and Bitcoin. As you can see there, this is how things are. So let me quickly log into my account and show you how you can set up your payment method and do your daily task as well. So let's wait for my account to open. So this is it. This is my account now. As you can see, my balance, what I have done so far. So I'm going to show you how you can set up your you can do your daily task. So these are the 10 tasks for you each day. Each day you need to do only 10 tasks. And when you log into your account, you just scroll down and see the task there. Then you click on any task that you want. So after clicking, you will see this pop up, and then you click on continue. Then you wait for it to complete loading. After that, you click on continue.
Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
So that is that. You need to do that. If you have not done it, you need to subscribe to the channel. So this is how you perform your daily task. I'm going to take it again for you to see how you can do your daily task as well. So after that, you click on complete. The complete will take you to the another task for you to do your task as well. So you click on complete button there for you to do another task. So then you scroll down for another task, then you click on it. So after that, you click on continue and you wait for it to complete loading. After that, you click on continue, and after that you click on complete to complete your daily task. So you do this over and over and each and every day. After that, with this particular website, you can order a payment when the time is not due for you to withdraw your money. You can order a payment. So I will show you how you can order a payment as well. So after completing this your task, you wait for 24 hours for to your balance to be added into your account. So I'm going to show you how you can set up your payment method. So please don't skip any part of the video. Follow it and gain a lot of money at the end of the day. So this is how you set up your payment method. You see, I have set up my payment method. That's a Visa card. I provide my address. So you can set up your payment method. We have a lot of methods provided. You have PayPal, Payza, Web Money, Mastercard, Visa card, Bitcoin. Sorry. As you can see them there.
Be sure
Then
to
you choose
subscribe to
one
the
which
channel
is
and
best
hit
and
the
suitable for
notification
you.
bell.
Okay. So if you have not done that, you quickly subscribe to the channel so we help each other at the end of the day. So this is how this Mirise.in website do its work, how it works. Yes. So this is how you order a payment as well. I'm going to teach you. Then you click order payment. After you click order payment, it will load and give you a permission to enter an amount that you want. So you can see, you can click on $100 dollars. After that, you click on other payments. So you do that to get money at the end of the day. So this is how things works. I believe you have subscribed to this channel. If you have not, to you need to do that, because in our next video I will show you a very simple registered um, application that you can watch videos and end at the end of the day. So with that particular um, app, you can um, withdraw your money through PayPal and also a current mobile money
Be sure to subscribe to
number.
the channel and hit the notification
So
bell.
with this platform, you can also get a lot of money through people that you invite to this particular channel. So please don't forget to subscribe for the next video, and you get money through online websites and applications. Thank you for watching this particular video. Hope to see you next video.